see you, I see you. And so, long story short, it's a different experience. I'll just say that, and I'm glad I get to have that experience. I wish I could have gone to an HBCU at 18. I just didn't know anybody. I didn't have any money. I didn't know, I didn't learn about HBCUs till a different world came on TV. That's what taught me about HBCUs. But let's get back to David Grain and his wife. So his wife Lisa went to Howard. She comes from a family of educators, intelligent black people raised this woman and taught her how to pick a great husband, I imagine. I imagine she learned from her family the culture. Remember, we talked about culture a lot. She likely learned from the culture of her family what kind of man to choose. So she didn't say, okay, I want to go get me a thug. I want to go get me somebody that's, an exciting bad boy, gangster bad boy that imitates these rappers. I'm going to get me a quality man that's going to be a great role model for my children. And that to me, again, that's an investment decision.